Hey guys, we are picking up where we left off on Monday. If you'd like to see how to create the first part of this square knot pattern, please see the description for a link. Today I will show you how to finish off this pattern as well as add 2 colors to one section of this pattern. Let's get started. Using a tapestry needle, thread the 2 outside cords on the left side of your work through the needle. Thread your cords through the middle of the square knots at the back of your work. Cut off the excess and then tuck the ends into the back to tidy it up. You can either leave the ends as is or cut and brush them out. I'll show you what it looks like to brush it out. If you like this look, you can repeat the same process with the other 2 sections. Now I'll show you how to change colors. Start by tying a half square knot around the middle cords. Continue tying alternating half square knots until you've reached your desired length. I've tied 12 alternating half square knots here. Using the same process as at the beginning of the tutorial, thread the ends through the back of the square knots. Using another color, repeat the same process. Tie several alternating half square knots until you've reached your desired length and then tuck the cords into the back of your square knots. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for Friday's tutorial where I show you how to create a semicircle using this pattern. I'd love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial might be useful for others, please feel free to share it. If you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.